Hello everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So I recently moved back into my parents' house for the summer, and I feel like this is the time of year where I always just kind of like revamp my room. It feels nice to get home from college and just kind of like spruce up your room at home. Casey's coming. Hi Nugget! Hey yo! So I took a lot of stuff from my room at college and I moved it into here just because I really loved the aesthetic of that room. The walls are like kind of the same color. If you guys want to see that room tour, I will link that down below as well. It's also crazy because I won't have this room for much longer. This is like my favorite room I've ever had. It's so big. I'm so blessed. And I have a nice closet and we actually are moving. Oh my god, I just broke my nail. What? No, how did that happen? What the? We don't know exactly when we're gonna move in. My mom like just put the offer in on the house. So I was like, I have to film one last room tour in this room because it was my favorite room and I'm so sad to give it up. Because in the new house, my little brother will have the big room because I don't really live with my parents anymore. I will show you guys my favorite room I ever had, and that is this one. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so when you walk into my room, this is the setup of my bedroom, featuring Mr. Casey Bear. Hello Nugget, do you have anything to say? You're adorable. Boop. Alright, and I will start with this area over here. My desk is really old. It's from Target. I cannot wait to get new furniture in the new house. My chair is also from my college room. This is from IKEA. This like 3-cube organizer is also from Target. And in here I just keep like a bunch of like random skincare products, and then down here I just have like this little thing from Urban Outfitters, this basket from Target, it's from Urban Outfitters, and some other books. Down here I keep like hair care and stuff like that. I recently just got an Apple TV, so I love this. It's the 4K one. I'm obsessed with it. I can't believe it's taken me so long to get one. And then over here I have this mirror from IKEA. This lamp, I think it's from Target. I got it like a really long time ago. Some makeup here. These are like my everyday products, but I usually don't wear makeup, like especially in the summer. And then down here I have a bunch of other makeup products that I really don't use like ever. And up here I just have some boxes because why not? But these things I got on like the clearance rack at Target. I don't know what they are. They're just like these little gold things and I thought they were cute. I don't think I've ever actually like shown you guys inside my closet, but like it's pretty big, goes all the way back, and then over here you can like walk in on the other side as well. So yeah. And then over here I have my big chair. I'm obsessed with this. I got this from Pier 1 when we moved into this house about 4 years ago. This was like all I wanted for this room, and it's like the best purchase I've ever made. I think like the whole thing was like maybe $150 or something. And then this little like macrame thing is I think from like Bed Bath & Beyond. I got that like 2 years ago and it was in another dorm room of mine. And then I just have a couple Polaroids of my brother, a sunset, my dog, and this little flower thing. My grandma's like obsessed with this. I don't really know why, but she thinks it's so cute. Over here, I just have this table. And then my dad used to own like a surf shop, and he used to get these really awesome shells, and he had like a few left over. So he said his friend was a diver and used to like dive for them. So he really doesn't have many left, but he gave me the few that he did. This table is from World Market. I got it for $30 like a month ago. And so cute. And this little plant I also got from Target. This was in my room at college as well. Oh my god, look how Casey gets off the bed. I have to show you guys. There's my garbage that I wasn't gonna show you. This is from my shopping addiction. And then over here on my nightstand, I've had these since we moved in the house, as well as my dresser. And then over here, I actually switched up the knobs to these like white marble ones, and I really like them. This is coming up very red on camera, but it's like honestly looks black in person. Don't really know why. Over here I have this coaster. I have one on my desk too. It's like gold and marble, basically my like whole aesthetic. And then this lamp I'm not like a fan of, but I think the bubbles match like the bubble lights. And then my Apple Watch charger, a Himalayan salt rock lamp, and a little, what is this? It's a fucking plant. I don't know. I have this clock. This actually had something else in it, but I got a piece of marble paper from Michael's and I just replaced it. And now it's a brand new clock. So DIY, you're welcome. And moving on to my bed. I actually, if you guys remember, I used to have like a whole like bed frame and all of that. But I actually decided to put my bed on the floor and it's a lot lower now and I love it. And I got rid of like the whole frame, and then as like a headboard I added these lights and I'm obsessed with them. I have also had this map and those stars forever. They're probably the one thing that hasn't really changed about my room. I don't know, I will always like them because they're both like white and gold and I just like the aesthetic. This whole bedding set, all of this, the blanket, the duvet, and the pillows are all from my college house, but I really wanted to put them in this house because I love them and they're fresh for the summer and they are super adorable, and Casey likes them too. Watch, she's gonna grab one. I swear to God, Casey, do not do it. Don't do it. Okay, good boy. And then over here, I just have this little box where I keep my camera stuff. I have my JBL here that I was just bumping to Chris Brown with. I have a Polaroid camera that I literally never use. I used it maybe once. A candle and then some other succulents. And then also you guys can get any of these star lanterns from Urban Outfitters. I always have them in my room because I think they're adorable. This is like the part of my room where I don't like it. I have this like white bench, this blanket, and just like a bunch of random pillows, but I just don't think it matches very well. Over here, I have this light. I love, love, love this light. I got it at TJ Maxx for like $10, maybe like a year or so ago. And then I actually painted this Chanel thing, canvas, whatever. I thought it looked chic looking and we liked it. And then here is my mirror. As you can see, I don't really fit in it, so. And over here, I just have like my perfumes and like my nicer products that just kind of like match together, if you know what I mean. Over here I have I got this little necklace holder from where'd I get it from? Michael's. And then I have a white gardenia candle. That's like one of my favorite scents from Bath and Body Works. And this little marble jewelry holder, and I just have some like rings and like earrings in there. And then lastly, I just have this little floral thing on the wall. And if you guys are wondering, my rug is from TJ Maxx. I got it a very long time ago. It has been with me everywhere. I love this rug and somehow I keep it very clean. And Casey says that's it for the room tour. Alright you guys, that is actually it for today's room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye.